Good afternoon, guys. Today you have ghost lectures about ACG and ghost Dr. Said Hassan Azwar.
First, we will talk about heart. You can hear me properly. ये इसको ऑन किए? Remote. Okay. We will talk about heart and related to conducting system of the heart. Because when ECG conclusion you will write, you have to know the some points you have to know. First, write down. When ECG paper come to you, first you have to know speed of the paper. Speed of the paper. Maybe 25 mm per second or 50. Okay. How to calculate speed of the paper? Just you say, okay. Change करो. और आगे आगे और next और आगे ECG देखो, ECG आएगा बाद में. Next, बस wait. Now how to calculate speed of the paper? Just you see P first, that is related to atrium contraction, that is right and left. P. Then QRS, that is ventricle. Okay. But first you just see QT. QT. Segment QT. This is Q and where T is finished. QT. Just see your ECG paper. QT. Yeah. Give it. Don't talk. Don't disturb. Huh?
This is also condition of hypokalemia and hyperkalemia.
Oh, I will later. You just see Q.
QRS.
P, Q. Where is Q is starting and T finishing. This is called QT segment.
QT segment, yes.
QT. In between QT, there is two big box or less than. It means 25 mm per second. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You explain them same way. We are talking about when first ECG paper will come to you, you have to first see speed of the paper, because speed of the paper very need to then further calculation. Just you see Q and T. Hello? You क्या why are you disturbing me? Again talking. Just you see Q and T. QT. In between QT, big box 2 or less than. It means 25. If above, it means 50 mm per second. Okay? The first you have to know this. You understood? When Q is starting and T last, is called QT segment. In between QT, big box 2 or less than, it means 25. If above 2 big box, that is this, above 2 big box, it means 50.
50.
Understood?
Yes.
Understood? Hello, girls. We said the normal complex is PQRST, RST. Understood, no? Total 1 bit. Now, you just see Q, here is Q, and where T is finished. In between QT, big box 2 or less than 2. It means 25 mm per second. If above 2, big box, it means 50 mm per second. Understood? Because need this speed of the paper to calculate further. Understood? QT. QT. In between QT segment, big box 2 or less than, it means 25 per second. If above 2 big box, it means 50 mm per second. Understood? You just see Q when is finishing, Q and T plus T. In between this big box 2 or less than 2, it means 25 mm per second. If above 2 big box, it means 50 mm per second. Okay? तुम्हारा साफ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है। अच्छा, ये तो समझ में आ रहा है तुम्हें? Q. This is Q and T. When QT, in between QT, big box 2 or less than 2, it means 25.
Okay, sir.
If above 2, it means 50.
Okay, sir.
Understood? First you have to know the speed of the paper. Here is Q. This is a myocardial infarction, in earlier already infracted, but Q is here and T when finishing. In between QT, big box 2 or less than 2, it means 25. If above 2 big box, it means 50. Here is PQRST. PQRST. But we have to calculate. तुम्हारा arterial flutter मिले. Somebody have extra ECG. कौन distribute कर रहा था? Extra ECG है वहाँ? Those. This is flutter fibrillation. That's why I will explain later. Okay, you just see. Here is P, here is Q, this is R, S, T. Total one complex. This is called complex.
Complex.
When Q, just here is Q and T finishing. In between QT, it means
Depolarization and repolarization.
no. The in between QT, two big box. Just you can see here, two big box QT, in between QT, two big box or less than two big box. It means 25 mm per second. If above two big box, in between QT, above two, it means 50 mm per second.
Yeah.
First you have to see this.
Okay.
Yes. You explain them. बता दिया? Yes. The one complex, it means P, Q, R, S, T. Understood? Now you in between Q and T, T where is finishing, that is called QT. In between QT, big box or less than 2 big box, it means 25. If above 2, it means 50. Understood? ये देखो Q T, Q where is starting and T finishing. In between Q2, big 2 box or less than 2, it means 25. If above 2, it means 50 mm per second. Understood? Explain this. Here is Q, here is T. Q where is T is finishing. In between QT, this is Q2 segment. In between QT, big box 2 or less than 2, it means 25 second per mm per second. and above, if two big box above, it means 50 mm per second. Understood? समझ में आया? ये देखो, ये Q, ये T. इन बिटवीन QT, ये देखो, एक बॉक्स छोटा सा एक बॉक्स है और ये एक बड़ा बॉक्स. ये मतलब क्या बन रहा है? लेस देन टू बिग बॉक्स. ठीक है? 2 और लेस देन, इट्स मीन्स हो गया 25. इफ अबव इन बिटवीन QT, इट्स मीन्स 50 mm per second. ठीक है? Here is Q, here is T. In between QT, 2 big box. ये बड़ा 2 बिग बॉक्स, या लेस देन 2 या लेस देन, इस मतलब 25. अबव 2 बिग बॉक्स, इस मीन्स 50. ठीक है? ये देखो, Q और in between T, that is called QT segment. In between QT, 2 big box or less than 2 big box, इस मतलब 25 mm per second. If above 2 big box, it means 50. ठीक है? इनको भी समझो. P, Q, R. मैं individually, these are practical things, no? If I will stand there and explain, you can't do anything or understand properly. That's why better practically you have to see. QT, in between QT, big box 2 or less than 2, it means 25 mm per second. If above 2 big box, it means 50 mm per second. ठीक है? Just you see, if 25 mm per second speed of the paper, it means small box. You just see one big box, in between there's small box are there. It means 0.04 second. Write down, copy. Where is your copy? Is all these things. Write down all. This is practical. Then after that, after class, you can forget all these things. ठीक है? Small box, you just see. Q, ये देखो. P, उसके बाद Q आ रहा है. ठीक है? ये R है, ये Q है, ये T है. अब in between QT, ये जो Q है और T, ये दोनों का बड़ा बॉक्स 2 या लेस देन 2, it means 25. If above 2, it means 50. If 50 mm per second, it means small box 0.2 second. Understood? Then we'll start. Write down these points. What is the meaning of P? Fast wave, small rounded, upright, positive wave indicating arterial depolarization. Arterial depolarization. Write down all of you and write fast. A lot of slides are there. Another one lecture I will give because ECG is very important. You can't avoid this ECG.
Yes.
Any time will come. Okay, patient will not come, never can come to you with ECG paper. You have to explain. Understood? Very attentively listen to me. क्या है? वो तो बात के बात है. अभी तो तुम तो शुरू ही नहीं हुए अभी कहाँ से तुम अभी? P wave, write down. P, about P. Then PR interval. Distance between beginning of P wave and beginning of QRS complex. Because we are talking about conducting system of the heart. That is electrical activity, you can see in ECG paper. Electric activity of the heart. When complete, say I will change. Next, QRS. ST segment, that is wave P, Q, R, S, T, all waves. And when we will talking about segment PR, QT, ST, QT just we talk, speed of the paper, how to calculate. Complete? Don't waste time, fast, move. Fast. Don't talk. Write fast. ये क्या है कि काम कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है? बत्ती तो जल रहा है, कुछ सुनाई दे रहा है? ये ऐसे मेरा वॉइस ही सुनाई दे रहा है।